Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Riya. Today I am going to show you 3 different looks using Nicka ki birthday cake eyeshadow palette. It has 9 beautiful bright colors and these are the swatches. So let's get started with the first look. At first I'm priming my eyelid with Maybelline Age Divine concealer. Then I'm taking this coral shade and blending to my crease. Here I'm taking this pink shade and place it on my outer V of my eyes, then blending it well with a clean brush. With this yellow shade, I'm placing it to the inner half of my eyelid. It has a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. I'm just dusting it off with a brush. Then I'm applying this purple shade to my bottom lash line. After that, I'm using plum eye pencil to lining my waterline. Next, I'm taking this Revelation Soapix Highlighter palette and applying it to my inner corner and brow bone. Applying Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara to my top and bottom lashes and a pair of falsies, and I'm done. Moving to the second look. I'm priming my eyelid using Wet n Wild concealer. Then taking this maroon red shade and placing on my crease line. Then I'm blending it with this green shade. I don't know why it's looking blue on my camera, but that's green. However, cutting my crease with the same concealer and blending it help of my fingertip. Placing this beautiful turquoise shade with a flat brush. Next, I'm taking this shade again and placing both corners of my eye. For the lower eye, I'm doing the same process that I did with my crease and applying Sugar Double Matte Black Liner and creating a wing. After that, I'm lining my waterline with this plum eye pencil. Next, I'm applying a coat of Maybelline Colossal Mascara and falsies. To pop that look, I'm applying this shade to my inner corner and brow bone from the Revolution Highlighter palette, and that's it. Moving to the third and final look. As usual, I'm priming my eyelid. Taking this pink and placing it to my crease. Then using this yellow shade and blending that pink right over my crease. Here I'm cleaning my crease with a concealer. After that, I'm taking this blue shade and applying it where I cut my crease. This palette is not too pigmented. You need to build the color until you are satisfied with the intensity. Applying the pink and the yellow shade to my lower eye. Applying a coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes and falsies. And last but not the least, popping my inner corner and brow bone with Revolution highlighter palette, and that is the final look. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye guys.